Pero, are you open? Are you bukas with... No, talaga?
No more, Tito
You don't wanna
Boy.
go into a relationship anymore?
Hindi ko na alam what a relationship is eh.
Pero minsan pag sinasabi mong hindi, doon nangyayari ang lahat.
Ay, hindi. Nakipag-ano na ako,
Deal.
deal na ako with God.
Oo,
Talagang, wag na. And you know, people tell me, wag ganon, Janice, kasi baka marinig yan ng mangyari talaga. Yan naman talaga yung gusto kong mangyari.
Okay.
Ayoko na talaga because first, it's been, what, 18 years? 18 ba o more?
Okay.
Parang more. Ay, hindi, 18 years. It's been 18 years. Ano na ba ang dating... Ano na ba ang nangyayari sa dating
changed lang.
scene?
You don't know ang galawan.
I don't know
Oo,
anymore.
right.
I don't know. Ano ba dapat? Ano ba yung ethics? Ano ba yung mga etiquette ngayon? Hindi ko na alam, di ba?